So here we have the Mitsubishi Outlander on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boots, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. So the tailgate in this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have plenty of boot space, and that is with all 7 seats in place. Let me show what it's like with the 2 rear seats dropped down. As you can see, you get loads of additional space with those down, and they're very easy to do as well. It is literally just a case of grabbing these handles and pulling them into place. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the Rev Counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 10,022. Above that, it will show you what gear this car is currently in. As it's an automatic, we are in P for park at the moment. We also have the fuel gauge to the right of that, coolant temperature gauge to the left, and above that, the trip computer for the car. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. We also have camera controls, which I'll come back to in just a moment. On the right-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. We have a plus and minus paddle. That is so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox, should you wish to. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can access things like your satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how that works on our website and on our YouTube channel. But essentially hit the navigation button and follow instructions on screen from there. You can pair your phone from up here. You can also access multimedia. So if you want to listen to your music, that's done up in this top left-hand section there. Hit source, and you can see there we have FM, AM radio. We have iPod input, Bluetooth audio, USB audio, USB video. You can turn the whole audio off from here. We have various Mitsubishi friendly apps you can have up on this screen, projected from your phone, and we have DAB radio as well. So loads of ways in which you can listen to your music. Home here will take you back to this main menu where we started, and again you can see the apps option just there. Very easy system to use. If we pop the car into reverse, you'll also see the full reversing camera and a 360 parking camera as well. So very easy to park with this system as well. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can turn the system on and adjust the fan speeds up and down here. You can adjust the driver and passenger temperatures independently of one another. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, the air conditioning is on at the minute, so off and on, and you'll see that light shows when it's on. Or you can turn auto on. The car will now take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Again, you can turn the whole system off just from here. Underneath that, you can slot the key in there should you wish to. You don't have to, as long as the key is in the car. That's all you need in order that you can start it. We have a 12-volt charging socket, your USB input, a heated steering wheel, blind spot monitoring system, which essentially will let you know when there's a car in your blind spot. Again, we've done a video showing how that works. You can find that in the same places as the other videos, and you can put the car in eco mode from here. We have a couple of cup holders, you can close that over. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. And then finally, this button's put the car into 4-wheel drive with an electronic handbrake with auto hold function, and then heated driver and passenger seats with 2 different heat settings each. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.